Hello, it is Friday, November 25th, 2011 at 10:27 p.m. Central Standard Time. And I wanted to show you, I guess there's some controversy over what I'm calling HAARP rings. And I wanted to show you why I call like the blue edges that appear on radar a HAARP ring. Right here I've got, you can see right here this blue that shows up. There's an edge right in there. And you can see over here that is the edge over here on the NEXRAD radar. But the thing is like before this shows up, you can see that there is not a hard edge. Things are crossing over back and forth. I should stop this on a specific time so that you can see. Right before it switches, let's go right here. This is at 2:46 UTC on November 26th. And let's get this one to the same place. This is at 2:45. Doesn't look like it's quite syncing. So right here is 2:35 UTC on this side. And you can see this little orange areas here are the little green areas here. And this area is this here. I don't know where this is. Oh yeah, it's right here. See it right there. And this little hot spot is right here. But then if you go to the next frame, all of a sudden everything changes. This becomes more intense, and this hard edge of a ring appears all of a sudden. And here also you'll see that a hard edge appears. It fills the frame. But yet we have Hastings. This is North Platte, Nebraska right here. That's where this ring is centered around. And down in here we've got Hastings, Nebraska, and the ring for it goes way out here. And then right over here we got Omaha, Nebraska, and the ring for it goes way over here. So we should not be showing any edge because all of these overlapping circles should cancel that out. Also, let me see if I can make this full size here. You can see like right down in here the scale. They have a clear air mode that goes into precipitation mode, and the clear air mode is supposed to be more sensitive. And when they change from one to the next, this scale should change down here. The colors remain the same, but the scale changes, so there's a shift. But that's not the case here, because if I go back here before that gets bright, you can see it goes from -90 to 24 between the pink and the purple. And if I go to a frame where this all of a sudden gets a hard edge, it's still at -90 to 24. So there's some frequency that's come in this yellow zone and filled all around. Going back a frame, you've got the pink and the red and the orange here, and you've got the red and the orange here. But then all of a sudden all this yellow comes in, and this scatter, this noise that it's picking up becomes more pronounced also. See that? So that's why I'm calling it a HAARP ring, because there's some frequency that's coming in through the radar that it's picking up, but it's containing it to the edge of this circle. It's not flowing over. This isn't a continuing cloud that's going through, because otherwise it would be showing up over here. It's something that's being cut off, being contained. And if we go look at, let's go look at Omaha. That's going to be kind of messy, but that's all right. Here's Omaha here. And we'll go ahead and get that loop going. See, it's got a hard edge of the circle too, but it's not showing up over in here. Not the same as what this blue one's doing. So it's not getting that frequency like this is. or whatever's making it shift like that. Because see here, you've got that scale going from -90 up to 70 between pink and purple. So this is the precipitation mode, I assume, because we do have precipitation going through. And you're not seeing like this hard edge down in here. Here's Omaha here. You know, that edge is not showing. And then if we go look at Hastings, Nebraska, right here. Whoa, that's pretty bright. Let's go ahead and play the loop. And that's from going from the -90 to the 24. And it's got a hard edge and it's off to the right. Let's see. Hastings is right about in here. Actually, it's hidden back in here. So it may be a hard edge that's just not showing. Let's see. Let me go and switch over to the 2km products radar. Let's see what we're getting. I'll just take a second here, hopefully. See, that just flashed on there. Alright, so here's Hastings. The center of Hastings is right here. And it's hard to see if there's a hard edge or not because it's hidden by all of this. And it looks like Omaha's flashing on and off too. But we should not be getting a hard edge. And if we were, it should be showing up in the other ones also. And up here I see there's even more HAARP ring signatures showing up. And it's not necessarily HAARP that's doing this, it's HAARP type. So anyway, I hope that made sense, and I hope it clears it up. God bless you and have a good rest of the night.